Hello guys, my name is Shreya.
And my name is Shraddha.
So I am going to show you the slimes.
And I am going to film the video.
Okay, so let's start. So this is my grey slime that Shraddha helped me to make. And it's a really jiggly slime in it.
Yeah.
Oops. But you can pretty well stretch it, so yeah. So this is my another jiggly slime, but this is on another container, so yeah. Oops. This is a bit sticky. Wait. Oops. It sticks to the container. It's cracking noises yes, crackles are really nice. So this is my black slime. It's like space slime?
Galaxy slime?
Yeah, galaxy, sorry. Not space. This I make recently. This is really stretchy. And this is our biggest slime. So this I made, and this she helped me. So yeah, we both make it like. And this is a beautiful peachy pinkish color that Shraddha likes. It's really sizzly. Let's see. It can stretch very well. It's like a sizzly butter fluffy. We didn't add any shaving cream, but it's also like fluffy slime. So yeah. So guys, it's a bonus round. What are we gonna do, Shraddha?
We're gonna make a slime smoothie.
Yay! So first we're gonna mix the simple ones, like the thick ones with each other and the jiggly ones with each other, and then we're gonna mix all of them. They're gonna look so beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow. It's becoming jiggly. It's becoming thick, like hard. So yeah. Bye guys!